Still no motive behind Christiana Gospel Show shooting. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Up to press time, the Mandeville police have still not established a motive for the shooting incident that took place at a gospel concert in Christiana Manchester. 5 people were shot and injured on Tuesday night when 2 men drove up on a motorcycle and began firing at patrons attending a gospel concert at the Apple Tree Plaza in Christiana Manchester. Their injuries are not considered life-threatening. The gun attack happened at approximately 11:30 p.m. Despite the incident, the police are assuring the public that they are doing everything to keep them safe. Head of the Manchester Police Division, Superintendent Shane McCullough, said that the gospel concert is a very peaceful event and the act was unprovoked.
The information that we have at hand is that the incident happened shortly before 11 p.m. thereabout. I must say that the event is a yearly event, a very peaceful event, and this act is unprovoked and a senseless one. The information is that 2 men on a bike rode up minutes to 11 and opened fire indiscriminately at the persons standing outside the venue. At this time, we do not have any established motive as to why this senseless act occurred. Unfortunately, 5 persons, which includes a female, were shot and injured during this senseless attack. Their status at this time is considered not to be life-threatening. Our empathy goes out to the families of these persons, and we're hoping and praying for their speedy recovery. And we just use this medium to reassure the law-abiding citizens of our continued commitment to ensure that we maintain and keep the space safe for them as we move into the New Year's Eve. We also, use this medium to ask the persons who have any information that they think can be useful, no matter how simple it is, just to please to make contact with the police, so that we can do the necessary to bring the perpetrators of this senseless act to justice in the shortest time possible.
The annual gospel concert, conceptualized by Lennox Peter Powell, was held in memory of his passing in June. Superintendent McCullough said a motive has not yet been established for the shooting. 5 people were rushed to the Percy Junior Hospital, where they have been admitted in stable condition. There is a strong possibility that there will be a ban on events from now leading into the new year. This will be done on a case-by-case assessment. Intelligence will have to be assessed, reassessed, and we will do a review of the decision within the first week of January, said McCullough. In the meantime, the police plan to increase their patrol in the town area. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.